In this video, I am going to show you how to enable dark mode on Snapchat. You can change the appearance of your Snapchat app by enabling dark mode. To enable dark mode, open your Snapchat app, tap on your profile, and then tap on the settings icon. From here, in your iOS device, tap App Appearance under My Account. Select Always Dark option. To turn off dark mode, select Always Light option. Please note, dark mode is currently only available for Snapchatters on iOS. If you are using an Android like me, then you can be able to turn on or enable dark mode on Snapchat. By this way, you can turn on dark mode on your iOS devices while using Snapchat. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope you like this. Please give a thumbs up and share this with your friends. Thanks for watching.